news, I've been able to find a secret method to actually use Veo 3 Unlimited and free in your mobile phone. After this, you don't need to watch any other video again, because the method I'm going to share with you will allow you to create 9 by 16, that's for short form, and 16 by 9, that is for long form. So guys, stick around with me. Let me walk you through step by step on how you can do this. Okay, because you are watching this video right now, I will assume that you all have the YouTube mobile app. Don't just click up after hearing the name, because this new method I'm showing you will allow you to create in landscape and also add music to your videos. So guys, let's proceed. So click on this plus sign once you open the interface of YouTube. Once you click on this plus sign, head over, just look up here. Okay, you can see this sign, right? Click on this sign. Beautiful. That star sign, that's like star, you can see here, you can see create video, photo to video, create music. All right, now if you have a text to video script, you can literally paste it here and it will create for you. Then if you have photo, that is image reference, you can click it here and it will add it. You select your photo and add it up and then generate what you want to generate. If you want to create your own music, you can literally open this, create a track. I mean, you can, generate music from here. And you can see create a track with vocals. It has been toggled on. You can toggle this off if you don't want the vocals, if you want only beatings. But if you want the vocals, toggle it on. All right, so let's experiment this first before we move into the video aspect. Awesome. So you can use this to generate some cool music for your videos, intro video, your cartoon videos, your animation videos, any type of video of your choice. All right, so we are going to go ahead and select this already made prompt and illustrate it. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and paste this. Now I will say create. Very simple prompt, but you will listen to the song. Your music is ready. Then if you have your own music topic, music title, you can literally paste it there and then everything will be done for you. Gray sky hanging over our town. Gotta turn that up. It's a video so that you can insert our music. Okay, create our music and insert it. Awesome. So you see create video. Okay, so let's just select any of these. Okay, any of the already made template prompt here and go ahead and generate. So this is like text to video. Okay, let's watch the output. Okay, I'm going to use an image that I generated to create this for us to see how this works. This is portrait. Okay, I will use image to video to show you how you can literally use this platform to generate your videos in landscape, that is 16 by 9 aspect ratio.
Pack with me for my trip to Mars. First up, my certified flight suit. Can't forget the 0G protein meals. This is my personal field generator. We are all locked and ready to go. See you on the red planet.
Awesome. This is beautiful, right? Now you can see it's actually gave us a perfect lip sync, the realism of the picture and how real this is. Now if you want to download this, of course, click on this drop down arrow that's pointing down. You see save to device. You click on it, save. That is in portrait. Now let's generate this in landscape. Okay, so whether you are using image to video or text to video, anyone, okay, it's gonna work the same way. Just add this simple line. If you want to add image, you can see this add plus button. You click on it if you have any image at all. Okay, you can click on it and bring in any image of your choice. Okay, so let me use my own image here and then let's see what is going to happen. Using my facial feed, when I want to use this my face and also the exact skin tone that is here. All right, so let's go ahead and see if it's going to obey what we said. All right, go ahead and hit create. Now allow the platform to generate. Now remember, this platform does not have aspect ratio like 9 by 16 or 16 by 9. So with this method, you can literally generate any type of video, landscape or portrait. You saw it, right? So let's watch the output.
Hey guys, pack with me for Mars. This pouch is essential. Into the suitcase it goes. Ready for liftoff.
So how do you now make this video to be normal? Once you save this to your mobile phone, this is what you are going to do. Of course, if you want to create more, go back, add another image and create your your video. Keep generating. So I've shown you how to use text to video and image to video, the same method. So go back to that sign and then create music. right? We want to add music to any of those clips that we just generated. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and love at first sight. Let's generate this. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and create. Once we create, the audio is here, right? So click on this arrow that is pointing that way, then click this place and select any image of your choice. Add this, create a video. If you want to add a video to it, okay, so I'm going to go ahead and select anyone, right? Let's just select anyone and then send, so that we can add music to it. Okay, the good thing about this platform is that it uses Veo 3, okay, as their model. So you see, you generate unlimited here. Hey guys, awesome, you heard the music, right? Now I want us to reduce the music, or it's either you can reduce the music from here. Click on here, you can see volume, your audio. You can, if you want the audio of the original video to be reduced so that you can only hear the soundtrack. Okay, let's do this. Watch. So you see, everything came out perfectly well. Now watch this. Now you can literally adjust the track itself and increase the volume.
Hey guys, pack with me for Mars. Can't forget my lucky jersey. We are ready to go. Subscribe for more.
Awesome. So this is exactly what you are going to have. Okay, now you can go ahead and save this to device. Click here and of course save without sound. You can save your video, but the licensed sound that you have added into your video will be removed. Okay, so you see, that means that this particular app, okay, the sound that we generated is not we don't have access to it outside YouTube, but you can literally use it on YouTube here. You can see that, right? So you can go ahead and save it without sound. Okay, so this is how you create music on this platform. But if you are using your own prompt to make the soundtrack, you can literally download it to your phone because it's your sound. Head over to our CapCut to actually adjust the portrait side to become landscape so that we can use it for our long form. Once you click that add button, select the particular video. Then if you look at, there's no rotate here in CapCut, but I actually selected my aspect ratio and turn it. Just use your hand and turn it around, and then use your hand and increase it. So this method works. All right, let's play this.
Hey guys, pack with me for Mars. This pouch is essential.
So guys, you can see it came out perfectly well and in landscape. So give this video a like and subscribe. Stay tuned for more updates. So if you watched it this time, thank you. And guys, until then, see you in the next one.